Welcome to another edition of Treusch Tries. For Christmas this year, my wife got me several different varieties of popcorn from Boite in New York. So we have the Apollonia chocolate, the Cancale caramel, the Van Duven number 28, Shabazi number 38, and the Pizza Pasto cheese. Today, I'm going to be trying the Apollonia chocolate, which is cocoa powder, orange blossom, and pepper. Ooh, smells spicy. I can definitely taste the chocolate and the orange, and there's a little bit of an afterbite of the pepper. This is a really good one. It's really good. I'm going to give this a big thumbs up.